Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Belal Hussain, one of my students. His name is Ayman, and I will try to ask him some question. He will try to give me the answer. Arman, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Tasneem Hassan. You can call me Ayman.
Okay, Tasneem. What's your school name?
My school name is Monipur Uccha Bidyalaya and College.
So do you go to college? Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
So with whom do you go to school?
I go to school alone.
Okay. So how do you go to school?
I go to school by van.
By school van?
Yes,
It's your school van, right?
yes.
Okay, so do you help your parents?
Yes, I help my parents.
Parents, okay. So do you watch TV? Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
In your free time, what do you do?
My free time I watch TV
And
scrolling YouTube.
scrolling YouTube. What do you learn from YouTube?
I learn many videos. I